There is a trend we have observed among musicians where they have developed gangs, commonly known as a gali or vigali, something like that, where they move in large gangs to entertainment shows and public events. They have almost turned into some kind of riffraffs and roving bands, beating each other, damaging property, disrupting public order. As the Uganda Police Force, we wish to send a very stern warning that we are going to round up all these groups and hold them to account for their actions. Actually, as I speak, we have already commenced an investigation into their actions, and we are going to start picking one by one. We want to send a very clear warning that you cannot turn public life upside down and deny other people an opportunity and a right to peacefully enjoy our general spaces. So it's a warning on first, as we are entering 1st January 2025, we registered similar disruptions and tendencies in a number of entertainment places where these fellows were moving with gangs and created a very tumultuous situation. Now that, as Uganda Police Force, we are issuing a warning that it must stop, and we are going to bring them to account. We heard of an attack and counter-attack on each other. I think there was an attack in a forest park where one gang attacked another. Then there is another musician whose home was attacked, I think in either Gaba or Bunga. Now, these musicians, certainly we are not going to allow them to create a reign of terror on the wananchis, and generally when the police is seeing. We are going to really take stern action. Yes, thank you.